Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on XVG. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that XVG first broke out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart, and after that, it broke out another falling wedge pattern that was smaller than the previous one, and this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a 7 days time frame chart, and this was the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you in my previous videos, and I've been telling you when it was moving inside this wedge the movement was quite squeezed. In those days, I've been telling you that once XVG will be able to break it out, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. And you can see that after the breakout, it has turned very, very strong parabolic bullish so far. From this though, when last time it was testing the support of the wedge here, up till this current high, it has rallied almost 1,417%. And during this rally, it was also stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. And the target for the breakout from this wedge I was telling you was here at the top of the wedge at 1 cent. And over there, by the way, we had a quite long-term resistance as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And again, despite this long spike, the price and could not break it out. And now again, we have broken out this resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that after breaking out the 1 cent resistance, this one, the price then retested the previous resistance as support and geared up. And right now, it is trying to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. That is a quite long-term resistance line. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance line here, and for several months it had been breaking as a support line here as well. At the same time, there is also another upcoming uptrend line resistance that is coming from the month of August 2022. You can see that we got rejection here, then we got another rejection here, then we got another rejection here, here in the month of April 2024. And now the pricing is about to hit this resistance as well. That will be approximately at 2.6 cents. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared on 19th of November 2024 with my members. And this signal produced almost 34% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for XVG that I shared a few days ago on 19th of November 2024 with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move that XVG was completing on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying's on and the sell target's on. And below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as predicted, the price then dropped more down and completed the final leg, entered the buying zone here. Then we had a very, very nice reversal. And this was almost 34%. By the way, not 34. This was almost 37% pump on this 2-hour time frame chart. And before that, we got almost 31% pump. And this was another harmonic bullish reversal setup. This time it was a bullish gauntlet pattern that XVG formed on an hourly time frame chart. And this move I shared on 18th of November 2024. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target line. This was almost 31% pump only on this 1-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of XVG. And this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or months, the price line is moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Also resistance in here we had the support of this wedge. And after getting squeezed, finally we broke out the resistance of this wedge. And after the breakout for several days, the price line has been retesting the previous resistance of wedge as support and geared up. And finally, we have crossed the target that I was telling you was here at the top of the wedge at 1 cent. And after the breakout, this 1 cent resistance, the price line retests this previous resistance of 1 cent as support and geared up. And now it is trying to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. In case of another rejection, the price can again drop down at the support of 1 cent. And in case of breaking out this resistance on, another imminent move is possible up to this uptrend line resistance, approximately somewhere between 2.8 cents to 2.8 cents to 3 cents. And in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break out this long-term resistance zone that is coming from the month of August 2022. You can see that we got few rejections here, two more rejections here, another rejection here, and now the price line is about to hit that resistance once again. So far, due to this resistance on the price line could not hit this uptrend line resistance. But in my opinion, if the price line breaks out this resistance zone from 1.7 cents to 2.1 cents, then it can soon also break out this uptrend line resistance as well, because this resistance zone will be flipped into a very strong and long-term support line, like it had been working as a very strong and long-term support line here for several months. And after the breakdown, it was flipped into a resistance, and therefore, after the breakout, it can be flipped into a long-term support zone once again. And using this level as a support, the price and can break out this uptrend line resistance as well. And after that, the next major resistance will be also here. That will be approximately at 3.7 cents. That was previously working as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Now, if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target can be here at the top of the bed. That will be somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.